Welcome to another video, guys. So this is how the sun exploded. I made this with my mind, so it might be not real. The sun will swallow Mercury. Then Venus. Then it will swallow our planet. And the sun becomes a red dwarf, I think. Then the sun explodes. In another version, the sun will swallow Venus and Mercury, but not swallow our planet, some scientists say. But in Earth, humanity will die. Then the sun becomes a red dwarf. I think I already said it. Then the sun explodes. That's how the sun will explode. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it.